everyone, this is Miss A again. So today we have a new letter to study. We're going to study the letter E. So this is the uppercase E and the lowercase e. Can you say the name of this letter again? Good job. Today we're going to learn about the sound of the short vowel E. This is the sound of the short vowel E. Eh. Eh. Can you try saying it? Eh. Good job. So here are some words that begin with the short letter E. We have egg, egg. Your turn. Next, we have envelope, envelope. Your turn. Next, we have the number 8, 8. Your turn. Next, we have the word elephant, elephant. Your turn. And last, our planet, Earth, Earth. Can you try saying it again? Great job! Now, it's time for us to learn how to write the uppercase and the lowercase e. Now, let's write the uppercase letter E. To write the uppercase letter E, we need two kinds of line. The standing line or the vertical line goes like this. And the sleeping line or the horizontal line goes like this. The vertical line or the standing line and the sleeping line or the horizontal line. Let's now write our uppercase E. We start at the top with our standing line or the vertical line. From here, going here. Next, we need to put 3 horizontal line or sleeping lines. 1, 2, 3. Let's do it again. A standing line and 3 sleeping line. 1, 2, 3. That's how we make the uppercase E. Let's now write the lowercase letter E. To make the lowercase letter E, we need two kinds of line. We need the curved line and the horizontal line or the sleeping line. Like this. So now let's try to write the letter E properly. Start with the horizontal line. Going to the middle line, make a curve down like this. Let's do it again. Start with the line going to the right, go up and curve around. Now, let's try it again. Line. So that's it for today. Now you know the sound of the short vowel E and how to write the uppercase and the lowercase letter E. I want you to practice our lesson today and always remember, practice makes progress. I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.